how to fix Monopoly Go invite link not working. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can fix Monopoly Go invite link not working. Alright, maybe you want to send an invite link to people and then you realize that the link is not working and you are wondering how you can fix this. Just ensure you watch this tutorial to the end. Now what do you do first? The first thing to do is to open up your Monopoly Go app, just like I have done here, and then once you've opened it up, confirm if the link is actually not working. All right, because sometimes when you try it the first time, perhaps the network was bad, at least you had a bad internet connection at that moment. If you have a bad internet connection, the link will not work. So to locate your link, you go to your friends page, that is located by the lower right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, you'll see the invite. Click on it, and then this is where you get your invite link. And then if you realize that it is still not working, you leave the page, leave Monopoly, and then go to your phone's settings. Okay, just minimize it like that, then go to your phone settings. On your phone settings, that is your phone settings page, locate the app management option. All right, once you've selected it, on the app management page you'll see the option app list. All right, click on it. Then on your app list, go ahead and search for Monopoly Go. Once you find it, click on it, and then once you're on this page, you'll see a list of options such as notifications, permissions, storage and cache, mobile data and Wi-Fi, etc. Ensure you select storage and cache. When you select that, you will take it to the storage and cache page. Now on this page, you click on clear cache. All right, clear cache. The reason why you have to clear cache is because whenever your cache MB is too much, it is likely some things will not function on your on some apps, and these apps include Monopoly Go. As if your Monopoly Go's cache is too much, it will not function properly. So just click on clear cache, and then you can also click on clear storage to make it function better. So when that is done, just leave the app and then go back to your Monopoly, and now the invite link would work. So this is how you can fix Monopoly Go invite link not working. Thanks for watching.